Good morning, Year 4. We are moving on in our maths today and we're going to look at coordinates. My Octopus know this is one of my favourite maths topics and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. So we're going to describe the position of coordinates on a grid for our destination, and our anchor is to identify the features of a coordinates grid, and we have some vocabulary here that may help you with that first challenge. So our anchor task, what is missing from our coordinates grid? So here I have drawn a coordinates grid. What have I missed off it? So pause the video and have a think what we need to include. So first of all, I've not clearly shown what my axes are called. So I need my X and my Y axes. I also have not included a scale, so along the bottom I should be having my numbers 1 all the way through to 10 and the same up the y-axis to make sure that I can clearly plot and see coordinates on my grid. If you have spotted anything else that I have missed, then please let me know. Okay then, so our model, how do we read coordinates? So we need to remember, and I'm sure you can from last time we did it, that we always go along the corridor and then up the stairs. So using the scale on our axes. So we start with our x-axis, and then we continue with our y-axis. So if I want to read the yellow egg, then I would go along the corridor, so it is next to 2, and up the stairs, so I'm travelling up the stairs 1. So the coordinate for the yellow, oh that's not yellow, for the yellow egg would be 2, 1, and remembering that we always put our coordinates in brackets. So have a little go now, see if you can think about what the other coordinates would be. Okay, so for pink we would have 5, 1, for green 1, 2, purple is 4, 3, orange 3, 4, grey or white is 2, 4, blue 5, 5, and red 1, 6. Well done if you got those all correct. I know my Octopus absolutely love doing coordinates, so I'm sure you got them all right at home. Okay, so you've got another little challenge here then. The same thing, this coordinate grid shows the animals in a rainforest. Can you give the coordinates of each rainforest creature? So just practicing being able to read those coordinates again. Pause the video and tell me where each character is on our coordinates grid. So we've got the tree frog at 4, 3, the sloth at 9, 2, jaguar 8, 9, toucan 5, 8, bat at 8, 5, and piranha at 2, 6. Now, I found a question that asks you, are the coordinates of each point correct? So have a look at A. A says it's at 1, 4. So we go along the corridor 1 and up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is A in the correct position? Continue through and check that they are all in the right place. And if they aren't, tell me where they are, where the correct coordinates are for that letter. Pause the video and have a go now. So we know that A is correct because we've just been through it. B is incorrect because it's actually 2, 9, so it's the inverse. C, 4, 6 is correct. D, 8, 9. Again, it's the inverse. It is 9, 8, the opposite. The numbers are the opposite way around. E, 8, 2, yep, and F, 3, 1. Right, well, F is 3 along the corridor, but actually we're not moving up the stairs at all. So it is 3, 0. Okay, so A, C and E are correct, and the B corrections, B, D and F corrections are there. Finally then, this rocket is travelling in a straight line to this planet. 2 of the coordinates it will fly through are shown on the grid. Give the coordinates it will travel through. So think about the route as a straight line travelling through some coordinates on this grid. Think about the route it's going to take and plot down any coordinate it will travel through. Pause the video and we'll go through the answers afterwards. Okay, so it should be the rocket starts at 10:1 and it travels through 9:2, which is here, 8:3, 7:4, 6:5, 5:6, and then the planet is at 4:7. Well done if you got all of these correct. So for silver today, questions 1 and 2, gold questions 3 onwards, and platinum you have 3 questions to be gotten on with there using coordinates and shapes.